Hello everyone, I welcome you all to the Infinity Vision platform. Right now I'll be doing one such question that came in your JMN examination. This question came on 31st August 2021 in shift 2. So let us see this question first. Question says a diameter of a spherical bob is measured using vernier caliper. So you have been given a spherical bob whose diameter we will be measuring through vernier caliper. We know it says 9 division of the main scale in the vernier caliper are equal to the 10 division of the vernier scale. So that means 9 main scale division is equivalent to 10 vernier scale division. Okay, so that means 1 vernier scale division is equivalent to 9 by 10 times my main scale division. So which is nothing but 1 vernier scale division is nothing but 0.9 times of main scale division. Okay, now it says the main scale reading is, okay, 1 main scale division is 1 mm. So 1 MSD main scale division in the main scale is given to you as 1 mm. So the 1 vernier scale division must be equal to 0.9 mm, don't you think? Because 1 MSD is this much. So 1 VSD comes out to be 0.9 mm. Okay, so this is the expression that you are getting. Now it says, and if you know that MSD and VSD, you can easily find out the value of least count. So least count is nothing but MSD minus VSD. Least count of the vernier caliper. So it would be equivalent to MSD is 1 mm minus 0.9 mm. So it comes out to be 0.1 mm. So least count of this vernier caliper is 0.1 mm. Now the main scale reading is 10 mm. So the diameter of this main scale diameter, whose main scale, if it is measuring this bob diameter, so its main scale reading comes out to be 20 mm. And 8th division of the vernier scale coincides with the exactly with the one of the main scale division. So that means, so we can easily say that the MSD is 10 mm. So the reading would be 10 mm, which is main scale division, plus vernier scale division, which is nothing but 8 division of the vernier scale coincide with main scale division. So it would be 8 times of least count. Okay, so this is how you can easily find out the value of how you can find the reading of diameter. Main scale multiplied by vernier scale multiplied by least count. Okay, so it comes out to be 10 mm plus 8. Least count is 0.1 mm. So it would be equivalent to 10.8 mm. This is the final reading of the diameter that you should get. Now it says found to be constant. Okay, now it says if the vernier caliper has positive zero error, so it has got certain error which is positive. So that means positive error, that means whatever the reading that you are getting, it is excess, it is in excess. Okay, and zero error having error of 0.04 centimeter. So 0.04 centimeter is nothing but 0.4 mm. So it has got a positive error of 0.4 mm. So whatever the reading that we are getting, it is more than the actual reading. Okay, so because if there is no so if the vernier caliper is not reading it, so at that point also its reading comes out to be 0.4 mm. So this has to be subtracted from the original reading so that you can easily get the final reading, so which is a correct reading. So it would be, the correct reading would be 10.08 mm minus 0.4 mm. So it comes out to be 10.4 mm. So this is the exact value of diameter of this bob. Now you need to find out its radius. So the radius of this is diameter, we already know it is 10.4. So the radius comes out to be 10.4 divided by 2, which is 5.2 mm. Okay, now it has to be converted into centimeter. So it would be equivalent to 52 into 10 raised to power minus 2 centimeter. So the value of this expression comes out to be, it is nothing but 52, and this is your final answer. I hope this question is clear to everyone. Thank you.